Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking on that channel, logging on that channel, coming back to that channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay y'all, so today this has been a video that I'm going to post. It's been a while since y'all see me, I know, but I wanted to update you guys on a few things. This video today will consist of a couple of days. So this is going to be a couple of days vlog. My little co-star is with me today. And I'm actually off of work today. I had an interview today, as you can see my little outfit. I had an interview today and I'm super excited. Hopefully good things come back from that interview, and I will keep you guys posted on when I find out if the good news from the interview comes back. And today I want you to go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section and congratulate the winner of this video. And yeah, stay tuned. Tell me what you like of this video. This is gonna be like a montage of all the days that I was still filming, you guys. I was still filming. I just hadn't had a chance to finally sit down with getting this process with this interview and application and all of that. It has been super busy and very hectic for me, but I will go ahead and put all of this stuff together so you guys can see it and announce the winner at the end of this video. All right, stay tuned. So today is day of surgery. I am officially here at Atrium Health, and I am about to go back to have all 4 of my wisdom teeth pulled out. So stay tuned. I'm super excited to get this done. I needed it done, so I'm ready to get this done. Hopefully I can get some good footage for y'all. I should have got more footage, but I just realized that I haven't been filming. So yeah, stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can tell, but all of this over here is swole. Like, all of this over here is swole. And I'm still kind of swole on this side as well. Kind of swole over here too, but definitely all of this is swole. And